Hello, my name is Christina, and I'm going to do a review of Digital One Painting course. I'm going to start off with the first assignment that we had, which was in 1.3, and it was shading of these three objects of the sphere, the cylinder, and the square. It was interesting to see how the light would reflect onto the surface and how it would create a shadow around the image. Definitely had a little bit of issues with this one, but I think overall, after I got some understanding of it, it turned out okay. And in 2.1, this is where we're doing the rough sketches and adding some more objects into the scene. So going from a cube to a sphere, and then we added a pyramid in it as well and a cone. So just adding a couple more into that 1 point perspective without any shading and lighting. Then in 2.3, that's when we added another point of perspective. So now that we have 2 points of perspective coming straight to one object, adding lines into the placement and trying to get it aligned similar to what I have going on here. So after a little bit of time, it definitely took me a minute to figure out how to do everything, but once I got it, it seemed like it went okay. All right, and then 3.1, I had a lot of fun. We started with adding the basic shading for the objects, either floating above the horizon line or the shadow off the ground from the horizon. And I had a lot of fun adding the color into this flat image with the shading and lighting, and now it has color, and it definitely made a big pop. So that was a lot of fun. Now, what I was really excited about was the 4.1 when we decided to take an image from Photoshop and transfer it to Maya. So I was very intrigued on how this process took, and because of this, I mean, it was a lot of fun, and now I was able to come in and do the 4.3 assignment and add some really cool textures and details into this once was a flat object to a fun object. So that is the end of my review.